For about 3 years now, I have been talking about the issue of bed bugs. Really, there are three issues. First of all, it is a mental health issue. When you get bed bugs, you may not have a health concern, but you certainly have a mental health concern. And people who get them in 2009, which is what we're in now, I think we can say, yes, it is a mental health issue, but we know how to get rid of them. You need to be sure that they are dealt with early, and you need to make sure that your entire building is aware of it and not be afraid of the stigma. The third thing I want to mention is because of our interest and because of the interest of the speaker and the city council and the mayor, we did pass a bill. And the bill basically said there will be, and there is now, a task force with 5 experts and people who are from the community and all the city agencies looking at what are the best ways to prevent bed bugs, to deal with them when you get them, and how we should be working with the professionals in the field. So this task force has been meeting regularly, and we will soon have legislation and policy and budgets to go with it to say we are going to help tenants, landlords, businesses, hospitals, hotels, colleges, schools, the MTA, New York City Housing Authority, workers who go into apartments, workers who have to help the elderly. The list goes on as to the people in our city who need help with bed bugs. And this task force is going to address your needs. So I want to say over and over again, it is a challenge in the city of New York. 46% increase in bed bug related calls to 311 from 2008 to 2009. And that doesn't include all the people who haven't called. But the fact of the matter is, with this task force, with more and more co-ops, rentals, getting together, talking about the issues in the building, and more expertise coming from the exterminators, I think people are beginning to understand, tell people you have them, it is not a stigma, and we will work with you to get rid of them. So between the task force, better education, lots more expertise, I think we are trying to deal as best we can with the issue of bed bugs. And it's much thanks to all my colleagues, to the speaker and to the mayor, and all the agencies who are working so hard that we're dealing with this issue.